Hi, grade 5 Emirati syllabus. Today I will make today it will be a review on how to write a paragraph. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Today I will explain you how to write a paragraph is the part as the part of your exam test, how to write a paragraph, to write a correct paragraph without mistaking, without spelling mistake, without mistakes of grammar. And I would like to know how to write it with me. Let's go to our lesson today. Okay, here is I would like to say how to write a paragraph. How to write a paragraph. So I would like to know what is the paragraph consist of. Okay, first of all, let's learn how to write a paragraph and what does the paragraph consist of. The paragraph consists of 3 parts. Topic, sentence. What is topic? Sentence explains the general idea and gives the main idea. Support sentence. What is the support sentence? The support sentence that gives us details. So this is called, we have topic, we have support, we have concluding. Concluding means the sentence that gives us the summary or the brief of our paragraph. Let's apply this, or let's practice these rules or apply it on our paragraph. Let's go to our lesson to apply this on our lesson. Okay, on our paragraph. Here we have some paragraph we learned in your topic books. Let's do it together. Here we talk about life in Old Kuwait. I think we learned this in your book, which is about life in Old Kuwait, and this is the paragraph about this. Here we have some words. Let's depend on to write the paragraph. Here we have simple, small houses, sea, vegetables, paraffin lamps. Let's make a sentence from these words. Here is a question that I answered, then I make a paragraph. Here we say, how life in Old Kuwait. So I ask about the style of life in Old Kuwait. It's simple. Let's go to another question. Where people live. So here I ask about the style of life, and then I ask the places that people can live in this period of time, or in this period of time. In this period of time, the life is simple, and they live in what? In small houses. Where they work in the sea. So we have simple task. We have simple simple life in small houses, and we use what, and how we light their houses by paraffin lamps. This is like this is a paraffin lamps. Okay, the like gas lamps in Egypt, and all that people use it. So here is the paraffin lamps as this one. This is called paraffin lamps. What they eat fresh vegetables. So they grow vegetables to eat it. Okay, let's read this text together. Life in Old Kuwait. Life in Old Kuwait was simple. People lived in small houses. They worked in the sea. They ate fresh vegetables. So we can see that the tense in what here in the past form. Why we use the past form here in this text? We use it because I narrate something that happened and ended in the past. So here we use the past. We say here was, we say here lived, we say here ate, we say here liked. So here all these verbs in the past form. So must take care when we talk about something. When we write a paragraph, we must take care of the tense that we use it. Okay, if we talk about the past, I use the past. If we talk about present, I use the present. If we talk in the future, I use will, and so I use the future tense in the form to write the sentence in the form of future. Okay, so we must take care when you write the paragraph. Take care of your tense that we use it in the sentences. Let's read here this text. Life in Old Kuwait was simple. People lived in small houses. They worked in the sea. They ate fresh vegetables. They light their houses by paraffin lamps. Let's go to another one here, which is it's Dixon House. I think Dixon House is the famous place in Kuwait. I think so. So this is the old house located in Kuwait City, as we know here in Kuwait. We have 30 rooms. I think it's very big, 30 rooms. And what you can see there, all things, who lived there? Dixon family. I think the Dixon family, I don't know what is this family. The Dixon house is an old house. It's located in Kuwait City. It was 30 rooms. I think 30 rooms is very big. How can we clean this house? We don't know. The Dixon family lived there. I can see all things there. Let's go to another item here, which is Kuwait National Museum. I think it's a famous museum like Egyptian Museum in Egypt. I think this is the famous museum in Kuwait. Okay, it's called the Kuwait National Museum. So here we have France, we have school bus, we have planetarium, and we have and photos. Here we talk about the place that we went. This is a trip to the Kuwait National Museum. Next one, with whom you went. So I asked the person that we went with you, with my friends. How you went there? By school bus. What do you did? Took photos. We took photos. So I have here, I make a replacement. I replaced form instead of. So we must do this one before this one. What you saw there? So planetarium. So then what do you did? Took photos. Let's read the topic together. Kuwait National Museum. I went, so here, but also we use the past form. Why? Because this action happened and ended. I talk about the trip that the trip with the National Museum, and after that I narrate others about this place. I went to the Kuwait National Museum. I went with my friends. I went there by school bus. I saw the planetarium there. I took photos. Let's go to another one here. It's Fleca. It's Fleca Island. About Fleca Island. So here, Fleca Island. Friends, boat, all things happy. Here we talk about the place. The place was what? To Fleca Island. Who you went with you? So I asked about the person that go with you, that went with you. My friends. How you went there? By boat. What you saw there, all things. How you feel. So here I asked about feelings. I feel happy. A trip to Fleca Island. I went to Fleca Island. I went with my friends. I went there by boat. I saw all things there. I felt happy. Today I'll stop here in this part. Next class I will continue. I hope to be fit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.